Hi everybody, today I have a quick video about finding the area of a triangle when you don't know the height. When we want to find the area of a triangle and we don't know the height and we're not going to go through the steps to find it, we can use Heron's formula. Heron's formula works for any triangle with sides ABC. We're going to start by just adding up those values and dividing by 2. We call this value S and it stands for semiperimeter. Once we have the semiperimeter, we find the area by finding the square root of S times S minus A times S minus B times S minus C. So we're subtracting the length of each side from this value of S, which means S is always going to be bigger than any of the 3 sides of our triangle. So let's give that a try. Here I have a triangle with sides 6, 9, and 11, which is not drawn to scale. My first step is going to be add the 3 sides together and divide by 2. When I add 6, 9, and 11 together, I get 26. So when I divide by 2, I get 13. Now that I have my semiperimeter, I'm going to use my formula for area. I'll put in the 13, and then I'll subtract each of the sides from this value of 13. I can simplify that a little to make it easier to put in my calculator. So instead of having the square root of 13 times 13 minus 6 times 13 minus 9 times 13 minus 11, we'll use the simplified version of the area, which is the square root of 13 times 7 times 4 times 2. I decided to round this to 4 decimal places, which gave me 26.9815, but remember to pay attention to any directions you have in your assignments. That should tell you how many decimal places you should have in your final answer.